Today I'll be teaching you how to make Nigerian egg rolls. Crispy outside, yummy and soft inside. Stay tuned to the end. Let me teach you how to make this yummy goodness that is going to wow your taste buds. Hey, this is Bakers and you're welcome to my channel. Make sure to measure your ingredients accurately. Get the measuring cups or weighing scales. Make sure you have this before starting baking. So I'm also going to put the accurate measurements on the description. Make sure to copy it out before trying out our recipe. So after you are done with measuring everything accurately, you will start mixing. But I also want to talk about the nutmegs. Use the nutmegs, the seed one. Don't go for the powdered ones. The seed one will always give you the flavor you require in your baking. So also use powdered milks for this recipe. The taste comes out better, okay, than the liquid one. So look for the powdered while making this recipe. So if we're done with everything, we're going to be rubbing in the flour. We call it rubbing in, trying to mix everything together. Then when we're done with mixing everything together, we're going to be adding room temperature water bit by bit. I also used 1 cup for this mixture. I've never measured it before, but for the purpose of this teaching, I had to write down the cup that was the measurement that was okay for me. Please, when you've started mixing, make sure to add your water bit by bit so that you don't over add water, okay? So after adding, mixing, and you get this you get the texture you were seeing on the video, you start kneading. Don't over knead, just knead till you discover that it's not sticking to your hands again. For this recipe, you need boiled eggs. I'm going to be advising you here, don't buy very fresh eggs, because if you buy like eggs that are late today or 2 days after cooking, you cannot remove it from the shells. It will not be easy for you to do that. So we're going to remove the shells in our eggs and then set aside and start molding. For the 400 grams dough, it is perfect for 6 eggs. So first of all, I cut the doughs into 6 parts. Then I also had flour to be touching on my hand so that it will not be that sticky. This is where this egg roll making becomes tricky. You have to practice this for long so that you get used to it. That is why I took time to show you how to cover the eggs with the dough. You have to flatten it, add flour to your hands, then gently put the eggs and try to cover everything. Then you roll it and make sure there are no holes. The doughs should not be thick and they should not be light. If they are too light, they are going to open up in the oil and our egg rolls are going to be disasters. So we're going to carefully flatten, put the eggs and gently cover it up. Then put flour on our hands and try and smoothen it so that after frying it's neat, covered, and very, very, very neat. Okay, when you get used to making this, first of all, heat up the oil and start molding and putting straight into the oil. But for the first time, you can put it down the way you're seeing on the screen. But the problem with doing this is that when you are about putting it inside the oil, you also have to redo it again because the eggs seem to settle in a particular place, which you have to position well before putting it into the oil and to get fried. Always take your time in covering your eggs with the dough because if they are open, they will open up while frying in the oil. We're going to be using vegetable oil in frying our egg rolls. We need lots of oil for this. So we're going to heat our oil medium heat, not so hot, so that our egg rolls will slowly get cooked. If it gets burnt or browned fast, the inside will not get cooked and our egg rolls will not be well done inside. So we're going to be frying this till golden brown and for a very long time. Then we'll now bring out from oil and our egg rolls are so ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for your engagement. I do see them. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. You asked for egg rolls and there you have it. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye. See you on my other recipe videos.